Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset on Samsung Galaxy A16, also known as a factory reset. This is useful if you have forgotten your login password such as pattern. Important. A factory reset will erase all the data on the device, apps, photos, videos, everything, and restore phone to its original factory state. Before starting, I recommend removing your SIM card and memory card. Let's begin. If you try to power off the phone but cannot, because it asks for a pattern you have forgotten, here's what to do. Press and hold the power button and volume button together for about 7 to 15 seconds until the phone turns off and or restart. If the screen starts to shut down, keep holding the buttons to make sure the phone fully powers off and doesn't go into sleep mode. Next, you will need a USB cable to connect your phone to another device. If you are wondering, I don't have a PC, can I connect to something else? Yes, you can connect to a TV or printer or any device that supports a data connection. Do not connect to a charger, that won't work. Once connected, turn on the PC, no special software needed. Now press and hold the power button and volume down button again. When the screen turns off, switch from volume down to volume up while still holding the power button. After about 3 seconds, release the power button but keep holding volume up until you see the Android recovery screen. If the cable is not connected, the phone might simply restart instead of entering recovery mode. Once you are in recovery mode, you can disconnect the cable if the battery level is okay. Touch input doesn't work here. Use the volume button to navigate and scroll down to wipe data /factory reset and press the power button to select it. You will see two options, cancel or factory data reset. Select the factory data reset to continue. The phone will start wiping data, and when the process is finished, you will be returned to the same recovery menu. This can take anywhere 5 to 30 seconds, depending how much data was on the device. Once it's done, select Reboot System Now using the power button. The phone will start automatically. The first boot after a factory reset can take 2 to 5 minutes or longer. So don't worry, just let it finish. When the phone turns on, it will look brand new. Follow the on-screen setup steps like you are setting it up for the first time. You may need to connect to Wi-Fi during the setup. If you see gray app icons, it's normal. It means the app needs to be downloaded again. Once you connect to Wi-Fi, the apps will restart downloading and the icon will return to normal. Those gray icons are just download placeholders, not installed apps yet. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.